Have I got a cool video for you here? This video, I believe Chicago Tracer is the original poster of this video. I'm told he is, so kudos to him. Anyway, here we have a sovereign citizen in Florida driving without expired plates, and cops pull him over. It's Florida, They pulled the guy over, and he tried to spin him a story. Long story short, he comes flying out of that vehicle, literally flying out of the vehicle. Very cool video. You want to see a soft sit fly? This is probably the video to watch. Anyway, having said that, let's go ahead and watch the video. It's quite fun.
How's it going?
Pretty good. So the reason I stopped you, alright, the tag on this car expired more than a year ago.
The tag on the car? What tag, sir?
The license plate.
By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, why don't you get in and do that for me? I'd appreciate that. And give us a like. It would help us a lot. Get more people to see the video. I'd appreciate that. Thanks, man. Right, let's carry on.
From New York. Expired in 2023. You got your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
Pretty sure the license doesn't expire. For one. For two, there's no injured party. Haven't committed any crime.
By the way, all the writing on the video, I think that's Chicago Tracer. It's not me. Somebody sent me this video, and that writing is on it as it is there. Okay.
For three, I don't carry my driver's license on me. I carry a passport on.
I'm aware. Send me 94.
He's in Florida. That's not going to work with him. I'm just saying.
Alright, can I get your passport then?
You can look at it, but you can't hold on to it.
Roll the window down.
No.
Alright, man. So, this can go one of two ways. It can go really bad for you, or we can just have a good, normal conversation.
Let's have really bad. We like that. Let's have really bad, please.
We are having a normal conversation, and I've committed no crime. There's no injured party. I have a valid Florida license.
Flex.
I have a valid Florida license.
Okay.
I have no need.
But the license plate on the vehicle expired over a year ago is what I'm saying.
What's the problem with that?
That's a legal question. What? Only a sophomore can ask such a question, I think.
Well, it's expired out of New York by more than a year. That's the problem.
What's the problem with that? There's no crime being committed. There's no injured party.
Yeah, you're not helping yourself. I'm just saying.
308 403. You might want to start heading this way. All right, man. So you don't carry your driver's license with you?
No.
Why not?
I have no need to.
Why wouldn't you need to carry your driver's license with you? It's required by law.
I don't commit crimes. I don't need to identify myself. I didn't even need to show you this. I did that as a professional courtesy for you.
A professional courtesy. Okay. We'll see how that pans out for you.
What do you think you're doing?
All right, buddy.
You're the one that's going to make your night bad.
You're 100% about to go to jail. I'm trying to be as cool with you as I can.
Excuse me, I have a valid Florida license.
Yes, but you're not cooperating in this traffic stop investigation as required.
Sir, I am not. I am 0% chance going to jail tonight.
Look, I like his attitude, okay? I like his attitude. I think he's dumb as a brick. But I do like his attitude. So that makes for a good video.
Committed no crime. People go to jail when they commit crimes. I have committed no crime.
Stay right here. You're not free to leave. .308.403. It's going to be a sovereign situation over here, just so you're aware. Hey, newer. Go around the other way and stop in front of him. Move my car.
Okay. Once once a cop puts the gloves on, they mean business. That cop just put his gloves on. Now, if that softset could read the room, he'd probably get out of that vehicle by now. But he's not going to do that. He's going to make for a cool video.
Michael, ran your driver's license. It ain't no good, man.
What do you mean it ain't no good?
It's not good. It got suspended.
Sir, my license is not suspended.
It 100% is suspended. I just ran it.
Show me because my license
All right.
is not suspended.
Step on out. I'll be happy to show you.
No.
I can't show you right now.
I have a valid Florida license.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
You do not.
I 100% do.
You don't. You got a license out of...
You have the burden of proof to show me that I can...
Yeah, and I'll be happy to show you. All you got to do is step out for me.
You can print out that paperwork and send it through this little slide.
Nope.
You can, though.
It's not what's going to happen.
Well, I'm not going to get out of the car.
Do you know who this is?
No, I don't.
Okay. It's kind of weird.
Probably a concerned citizen because there's so many fucking cops here for no crime being committed.
Here, stay with him. Oh, okay.
I have a valid Florida license. Show me, unless you have something to show me otherwise, I've committed no crime.
You're committing multiple crimes right now.
I am not committing multiple crimes. I have, at most, a traffic violation. That's it.
Look, the original stop, it wasn't that bad, okay? Expired tags, maybe get a fine or something. Now he's gone. He's now gone to the point where he's going to get arrested, and he's not going to want to get out of the vehicle. Never a good thing. You cannot beat the cops. You cannot win against them. Too many of them. You should just obey and abide by what they tell you. That's what I would do anyway. But then again, I'm not there. I mean, what can I say?
You're committing several traffic violations, and you're driving without a valid driver's license. So
I am driving with a valid driver's license.
you are not.
Yes, I am.
You have a license out in New York?
I have a license in Florida.
Okay. So I only ask because the car's got a tag that's out of New York. It's got a license plate out of New York, so that's why I was asking.
Yeah, because I haven't had a permanent residence in Florida yet.
You haven't had a chance to register it in Florida yet? Is that what you said?
I haven't had a permanent residence in Florida yet.
Okay.
I have a valid Florida license, though.
You do not.
So either you're lying to me.
I'm not lying to you, sir. I wouldn't need to lie to you.
I mean, you're more than welcome to show me because I have a valid Florida license.
All right, sir. So I'm asking you again, step out of the vehicle.
And I'm telling you now
Okay.
that I have committed no crime.
I'm now ordering you to step out of the vehicle.
And I am politely refusing.
Okay.
I like his attitude.
I have a valid Florida license.
Love his attitude.
So my sergeant's on the way. I'm going to give him a chance to speak to you as well, and you can see if we can come to some sort of resolution right now.
The resolution is if you have a legitimate paperwork showing, because any fines, any traffic fines, I had no severe issues. I got pulled over for those plates like a month or two ago. I paid off that fine. I have no suspended license. So either you're lying,
Which I'm not.
then you have the burden of proof to show me.
Okay, then step on out and I'll be happy to show you, like I said.
Print it out and send it through my slot.
That's not what's going to happen.
Well, then I'm not getting out of the car.
That sounds like a bit of a challenge that he's putting down there towards the cops, doesn't it? I think they are going to take him up on it. That's what makes for a good video. Appreciate that.
All right, Michael.
You're trying to get me on a traffic violation.
Well,
You're telling me I got 100% chance of going to jail on a traffic violation.
well, you're going to end up going to jail for resisting and obstructing an investigation and for failing to comply with a lawful order, which was the order to step out of this vehicle.
Sir, I committed no crime.
So,
Well, no injured party. You see, in order for a crime to be committed, there needs to be an injured party.
Hey, well, in this case, that would be the state of Florida would be the injured party.
It's not injured by me driving. I was driving the speed limit, as you were aware, because you were driving slower than me. I've injured no person. The state of Florida is not injured by my driving. So, you're full of shit.
308-403, how far out are you? I've given him multiple commands.
I don't get these guys. I really don't. How they can believe that what they're doing is legal and right. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Maybe I'm just too dumb to get it, but so many other people as well, I suppose. These guys, they're a special kind of people, I think. Yeah, I think so.
Just stand up there. We can do the instruction now or wait for you, but he ain't gonna come out without force. Yeah. I'm gonna let Sarge try to talk to him before.
Okay. I have a valid Florida license. That's obviously false.
Why would I lie to you about your license being suspended?
Why do people lie about anything? I have no business knowing why you're gonna lie to me. My license is valid. I know because I just got pulled over about a month or two ago for the same thing, and I paid that fine.
Okay. Well, it was suspended on 6/10 of 2024.
For what?
It just says unpaid traffic citation.
That's obviously wrong. Sir, why are you unwilling to show me that my license is suspended when I know for a fact?
Well, as soon as you step out of the car, I'll be happy to show you.
You're telling me you're going to arrest me for driving my car in the speed limit, in the lane, sober, with no issue. Why would I step out of the car when I've committed no crime?
Yeah, I would probably step out because they gave me a lawful order, told me to get out. That's why I would step out and take it from there. But you're not going to do that because you think you're better than them. You think you know more. Makes for a good video though, and we appreciate that. So thank you.
You've committed multiple crimes since we've been sitting here, but
zero crimes.
you're refusing a lawful order to exit your vehicle.
That's not a
crime.
That's not a crime.
Driving without a driver's license.
I have a driver's
That's
license.
a crime.
That's not a crime.
You're driving with tags that are expired by over a year, and a vehicle that you admit has not been registered in this state. That's a crime.
That's not a crime.
It is a crime.
Violation.
So,
That's a traffic violation.
not as long as these tags have been expired and that you live here. That's an unregistered motor vehicle in this state, which is a crime.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
Doesn't matter.
If it's a traffic violation, it's not a criminal offense.
Yes, there are criminal traffic violations.
Is it a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's a misdemeanor.
It's a misdemeanor.
Mm-hmm. It doesn't matter if it's a misdemeanor or a felony. So.
If it's only a traffic violation, it's not a crime.
Mm-hmm.
And if there's no injured party, it's not a crime.
Okay. Well, like I explained, the state would be the injured party on these offenses.
I didn't injure the state of Florida.
Okay. I've been nothing but cordial with you. If you don't want to cooperate, then what happens next is what happens next, all right?
Sir, I need you to show me the suspended license.
And I asked you to get out of the vehicle.
I have no reason to get out of the vehicle.
So,
you have a reason to show me my license is suspended.
And I'll be happy to do that as soon as you exit the vehicle.
I'll be happy to do that when you pass it through my slot.
Nope, it's not going to happen.
Committed a crime, then I step out of the vehicle.
Well, we'll see who's going to win this argument. My money is on the cops somehow. I just have a feeling they're gonna win. They're gonna win this argument. That's what I think anyway.
Would you like Newer's car removed? Would you like Newer's car out of the way, or do you want to leave it there?
Let's move that out of the way.
Hey, Newer, move your car. Yep.
Can't afford another one. So we can't afford another one, right?
That's fine right there, 334, just leaving the driveway.
Oh, Mr. Mayor,
Sergeant Barker with the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. I understand that you have been given a lawful order to exit your vehicle, and you are not complying with that. You are under arrest. All right. Let's move them out. Unlock your door and step out for me, please.
I think that's a fair request. Step out, please. That's a supervisor right there. He's not gonna comply anyway, but at least he asked him, right?
Unlock your door and step out for me, please. Unlock your door and step out for me. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. You are under arrest.
Sebastian, man.
Step out of your vehicle. You will be removed. Okay, that is a verbal no and a head shake no.
Huh? I'm good with both.
Just take, yeah. Heads up, your window's gonna be broken.
Ready?
Mr. Murad, your window's gonna be broken.
Get out of the car!
Get out on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. I got this one. Gun, gun, gun. That was stupid. I have a lot. That was stupid.
Right there.
Do you understand that was stupid? I was doing my glasses. You were don't move glasses. You were getting your gun. Sir, look at my shirt. You were getting your gun. I was not getting my gun.
What did all of that bravado help this guy? What did it help him? Window got smashed. They ripped him out of the vehicle. Seems like he lost a pew-pew there. And didn't tell the cops about it, by the way. I'm just saying. And the one cop says you were reaching for it. Not good. Not good. They are not going to be very happy with you. Not going to be very happy with you at all. Yeah, that's a stupid thing to do, but an impressive removal, I have to say. Very impressive removal.
I'm not.
Railway Central. Run on chrono history on this subject. I got signals here.
Yep.
Oh, glass, you're fine.
You can work over here. Something like that before you place them.
All right, guys, let's stop the video here. There's nothing much happening from this point on. What a dummy. What a dummy. What made him think that the cops are going to just turn around and walk away if he says he's not going to abide by the instructions? What made him think that's going to happen? I don't get these guys' mindset. I have no idea how they get to that point. You have to be indoctrinated, I think, or you have to have a reason for, other than the indoctrination, maybe a suspended license or something like that. I have no idea. The soft psychology thing does not make sense to me. It makes for good videos, but it doesn't make good sense to me as to why people would follow this belief system. It beats me. I have no idea. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments. It does help us a lot. Great stuff. I'll see you in the next one.